Bitcoin. Bitcoin finally getting a move here. What I think is amazing is that if you watched last week's game plan on Thursday, I told you guys that your bias in the short term on Bitcoin became bullish. And again, I mean, the little tidbits that I'm dropping in these game plans can literally make you guys money. Now let's talk about it. So basically what we had here, we have this trend line, right? So we have this trend line sloping up. We had this orange one sloping down. Now, one of the things that I was pointing to, and I'm going to zoom in on this because it's super, super important, is that if we take a look here, we know we had this trend line here, this trend line get hit here, here, and then also multiple times here and once here, and then we broke out. This was last Thursday, right? Thursday we broke out. That changed the bias. From that point, it now became a bullish short-term indicator. Now remember, short-term tells you nothing about midterm or long-term. It's only telling you about what's going to happen the next few days to week or so. But sure enough, we closed here. We consolidated on Friday and Saturday. Sunday, we ripped higher. Monday, we're continuing up. Now, again, couple levels to watch on Bitcoin because, again, to me, Bitcoin's going up here. I have positions with Verified Investing Crypto members in altcoins like Cardano, which is showing us a breakout as well, and other altcoins. But the key here, again, is at some point, resistance is going to get this in check. Now, there's a couple levels I want you guys following on Bitcoin. So where is your next Bitcoin resistance? Let's take a look right here. Okay, so if we look at Bitcoin, one of the things that I'm seeing is there's a lot of resistance at a former level right up here. So you're looking at anywhere between, I would say, 28,800 and 29,000. Now, again, look at how price hammered on this level over and over again before breaking down. What that tells us is whether or not this was at some point support. You know, why it was, we don't necessarily know, but this type of action created support. What that means is if price rallies up into this, this is going to be now resistance to the opposing side. So that is going to be resistance anywhere, again, 28,800 to 29,000. Now, should Bitcoin break above this level, let's say it puts in bullish consolidation and breaks up, you have a very clear upsloping channel or trend line that takes you back to between $30,000 and $31,000. So those are your upside levels. Now, do I think that all of a sudden Bitcoin's in a new bull market and going to be moving up beautifully? No, I don't necessarily think that. What I do think overall, if we zoom out on the chart, is that this is a common move where we see a move from this